Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have one of our favorite all-time patients in here with us, and I wanted to show you guys that we do use earplugs for patients when we use the turbinator on them, so they can put these in the ear and don't have to listen to that really noisy noise that might damage their ears. But I want to show you how tough Mary is compared to most of the men with this turbinator, which, as you can tell, has a significant depth to it. Mary has suffered from asthma for years and years. She suffered from asthma for years and years, and we did the first cervical drop on her today. Which I'll demonstrate again. C2, C5, 6. Now, especially with asthma sufferers, they always have T1 and T2 subluxated, which supply the bronchial tubes. There we go. Okay. Okay, Mary, let's turn you on your back now. But I just wanted to show you that Mary, she can handle the depth of this better than almost any other patient that we have. Okay, Mary. Yeah, I'll do this one again. There we go. This is my favorite new, not new for me, but new for our patients, zygomatic arch adjustment that helps restore that cervical curve and inside down just a little bit more. Again, Mary, I'm going to do your upper thoracics and shoulders again. There we go. And we're adjusting her AC joints, her costoclavicular joints bilaterally, and then the costosternal joints right up front here, which should help her square off her chest and then breathe easier, because the ribs will be lined up better in the back and the front. And we've already done her ring dinger, so sorry you missed that. Okay, let's sit you face toward Joseph. Can you hear me with those in there, or did you take them out?
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, we do have earplugs available for patients who want those. There we go. In fact, Mary actually brought us those earplugs. What, about a year ago, so, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, just relax this. There we go. Here, I'll hold this for you. There. There we go. Okay. There we go. Now, Mary just went to her pulmonologist and had some spirometry examinations over, and Mary, was your asthma improved?
Yes.
Objectively?
Improved. Yes, tremendously. I'm at 97%.
And you told me that your medical doctor didn't cut down your asthma medication.
Yes.
And you feel like you're breathing easier since you've had care here?
Oh, yes. Oh, absolutely.
So that's how I got into chiropractic. Everybody wants to know my story. I got into chiropractic because a Palmer graduate adjusted me from the 6th to 8th grade, and by the 8th grade I had no more asthma. And that's why I decided to become a chiropractor. So, Mary, let's still shoot you here. Okay. So it does help. I'm not saying chiropractic cures everything, but the nervous system controls and coordinates the function of every organ, muscle, tissue, and cell in your body, so it can help us. Like you head forward and then backwards. Neutral. Yep. Let's pull those there. It's probably easier to stand like that right now.
Oh, yeah.
We'll tap right there. Right there. Very good. Okay, now let's do that whole thing again. Tell me how this feels comparatively.
Oh, yes.
Take a look in the mirror. Look how squared off you are right now.
I really
Can you
noticed
breathe a little easier
Yes,
right
and I
now?
noticed my shoulders are.
Yes, squared off, yep.
Yeah, the new machine.
What would you say to our YouTube fans about treatment for patients with asthma
Oh,
for chiropractic care?
yes, these adjustments have helped me tremendously. I'm able to breathe a lot easier, and I can sleep, which was the most important thing, because I was losing so much sleep. And
Because
slept
your
sitting
lack
up.
of breathing.
Right.
Yeah.
And I slept sitting up for so long that it was debilitating for me. So this has helped me a whole lot.
Yeah. Well, we love you, Mary. Thank you for sharing your story with us.
Thank
And
you.
this is your Houston chiropractor coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see you next time.